Have you ever wondered how to use ChatGPT 4? Well, let's dive into this fascinating world. ChatGPT 4 is the latest iteration of OpenAI's impressive language model. It's a powerful tool designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. What sets it apart from its predecessor, ChatGPT 3.5? The fourth generation comes with improved comprehension, better context understanding, and more nuanced responses. It's like having a conversation with a highly intelligent, well-read individual who's always ready to assist you. In various fields, ChatGPT 4 is making waves. Whether it's drafting emails, creating content, developing software, or even tutoring in various subjects, this tool is revolutionizing the way we work. It's not just a chatbot, it's a versatile assistant ready to make your life easier. But how do you use it? And more importantly, how can you use it for free or even make money with it? Stay tuned to learn how to use this powerful tool. Before diving into how to use ChatGPT 4, you need to understand its basics. At its core, ChatGPT 4 is a powerful artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. Its primary function is to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Now, let's break this down a bit. The GPT in ChatGPT 4 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is a type of machine learning model that uses large-scale transformers to understand and generate text. The number 4 represents the version of the model. Each new version typically brings improvements in performance and capabilities. What sets ChatGPT 4 apart from its predecessors is its ability to understand context and generate responses that are not only relevant but also remarkably human-like. It's like having a conversation with a well-read, witty, and eloquent individual. This is achieved through a method called transformer neural networks, which allows the AI to consider the entire context of a conversation when generating a response. But how does ChatGPT 4 generate this human-like text? It all starts with a prompt, which is a piece of text inputted by the user. This could be a question, a statement, or even a single word. The AI then generates a response based on this prompt, considering the entire conversation context. The applications of ChatGPT 4 are vast. It can be used to draft emails, write articles, generate creative content, automate customer service, and even engage in meaningful conversation. It's like having a personal assistant that can write in a human-like manner. But here's the kicker. ChatGPT 4 is not perfect. It can sometimes generate responses that are off-topic or factually incorrect. It's important to remember that while it can mimic human conversation, it doesn't truly understand the context in the way humans do. It doesn't have beliefs, opinions, or access to real-time information. Now that you know what ChatGPT 4 is, you're ready to learn how to use it. So stay tuned as we delve into the practical applications and step-by-step guide to using this fascinating tool in our next segment. So, you want to tap into the potential of ChatGPT 4? Here's how. First, let's get you set up. Head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts and in no time you'll have your account ready. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and select the APIs section. Here you'll find the option for ChatGPT 4. Click on it to activate the service. Now you're ready to start chatting with GPT 4. You'll notice an interface where you can input your prompts. These are the questions or statements you want the AI to respond to. Be as specific or as vague as you like. The model is designed to be flexible and adapt to a wide range of inputs. You'll see a Send button. Clicking this will send your prompt to the AI and it will start generating a response. This can take a few seconds, but soon enough you'll see a response in the chat window. You can then reply to this response, creating a back-and-forth conversation with the AI. One of the exciting features of ChatGPT 4 is the ability to adjust the temperature and max tokens. Temperature controls the randomness of the AI's output. A lower temperature will make the AI's responses more focused and consistent, while a higher temperature will make them more random and diverse. Max tokens, on the other hand, limit the length of the AI's responses. Play around with these settings to get the output that suits your needs best. Remember, ChatGPT 4 is more than just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can generate creative content, answer complex questions, and even help with decision-making. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment. And that's it. You've just had your first interaction with ChatGPT 4. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and in no time, you'll be harnessing the full potential of this remarkable AI technology. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Chat GPT-4. Chat GPT-4 isn't just about basic text generation. Let's delve into its advanced features. Firstly, let's talk about prompts. Prompts are the initial input that you provide to Chat GPT-4 to guide its text generation. It's like giving the AI a topic to write or converse about. But here's the thing. Chat GPT-4 is designed to be more creative and context-aware. You can use more complex prompts like a series of questions, a half-finished sentence, or even a short story. The AI will pick up on these cues and respond accordingly, making the interaction more dynamic and engaging. Now let's move on to customizing outputs. You may be wondering, can I control the length, creativity, or tone of the AI's responses? The answer is absolutely. Chat GPT-4 allows you to adjust the temperature and max tokens of the output. Higher temperature values result in more random outputs, while lower values make the AI's responses more deterministic. As for max tokens, it controls the length of the AI's text, so you can set it according to your specific needs. Moreover, Chat GPT-4 has the ability to understand and generate text in multiple languages, which is a game changer for global communication. It also has the potential to recognize and respond to user instructions. For instance, you can instruct the AI to write a poem about autumn or explain quantum physics in simple terms, and it will do just that. One more advanced feature worth mentioning is the system message. It's a message at the start of a conversation that sets the behavior of the AI assistant. For example, a system message like, "You are an assistant that speaks like Shakespeare," would make the AI generate responses in a Shakespearean style. With these advanced features, you can make the most out of Chat GPT-4. Whether it's for generating engaging content, facilitating multilingual conversations, or just having a fun chat in the style of your favorite author, Chat GPT-4 is here to revolutionize the way we interact with AIs. Wondering how to use Chat GPT-4 for free or even make money with it? Let's unfold this secret. Yes, you heard it right. It's possible to use this cutting-edge technology without any cost and even turn it into a source of income. To use Chat GPT-4 for free, you'll want to keep an eye out for promotional offers by OpenAI. They occasionally offer free trials or limited free access to their AI models, including Chat GPT-4. Additionally, you can use the free tier of their API, though it comes with some limitations in terms of usage amount. Now, the money-making part is where it gets really interesting. You can monetize your use of Chat GPT-4 by developing AI-based applications or services. For instance, you could create a chatbot service for businesses or an AI tutor for students. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Moreover, you could use Chat GPT-4 to write high-quality content, such as blog articles or social media posts, and sell these to clients. Or you could use it to produce enlightening reports or analyses, saving time and effort while delivering top-notch work. Remember, the key to making money with Chat GPT-4 lies in leveraging its capabilities to create value for others. Once you do that, the sky's the limit for your earning potential. With these tips, you can use Chat GPT-4 without breaking the bank and even earn from it. Let's quickly recap what you've learned about Chat GPT-4. We started our journey by introducing this novel tool, an AI language model that's been making waves in the tech world. We dived into the basics, understanding how Chat GPT-4, a product of OpenAI, uses machine learning to generate human-like text. From there, we took a step-by-step approach to using this powerful tool. We went through the process of setting it up, crafting effective prompts, and interacting with the AI. We also explored the advanced features of Chat GPT-4, revealing its capability to handle complex tasks, generate creative content, and even understand context. One of the highlights was the discussion on how to use Chat GPT-4 for free, and even more exciting, how to monetize it. We discovered that with the right strategy, this AI model can be a source of income, a bonus on top of its exciting features. This tool offers a lot, from enhancing productivity to unlocking creativity. And with this video, we've just scratched the surface. The world of Chat GPT-4 is vast and constantly evolving. It's an exciting time to be part of this technological revolution. With this knowledge, you're equipped to explore and benefit from the world of Chat GPT-4. So go ahead and start your journey with this amazing tool.